Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's pop down and see what they're on with today. I'll quickly show you what they've got up to in here regarding relaying this. Now they've need a few more tiles just to finish these edges. They're going to come back on Tuesday just to finish all these other bits in, but he's done a far better job than the previous guy, so yeah, I mean it's quite hard to lay this type of floor, you know, in that particular pattern. But he's done a nice job of it, in all fairness. So yeah, right, let's pop down and have a look, see what's going on. I'll just get through the gate and I will get back to you then. Right, we are through the gate. Let's go down and have a quick look. I'll spin you around. I think they're busy, by the looks of it, carrying on putting some more of these, I don't know what they are, PVC, I suppose, covers on, by the looks of it. So they're busy doing that. So they're going on the bottom ones as well, apparently. So it's all going to be covered in it, by the looks of it. They're obviously working out how they're doing it. Like I said, Tan's project, she knows what she's doing with it, so I'm just sort of letting her get on with it. So I'll quit that. I'd thought she'd left the bottom ones open, but obviously not. Yeah. So that's what they're on with at the moment. Getting busy doing that. Look at this. Look. I ain't even touching it. Oh my days. Okay, you can't make it up. You really can't. So yeah, so I'll pop back down again a bit later, and we'll have another look round. We'll catch him. Okay. Alright guys, lunchtime. Thought I'd pop down, have a quick look, see what's going on. And Tom's going to take him some ice and a bottle of drink down. So let's go down and have a look. So busy cutting the material, by the looks of it, for these other panels and stuff. So I take it they're getting all that finished today, and then well, they got the roof to put on here. They've obviously got this to level out and gravel it over. And yeah, that's about it. I think they'll be pretty much up together then. What do you want these? Sorry about the noise of the grinder, guys. Can't help that. But see, as the panels fall back, they actually are going to stop you getting anywhere near banging your head on these as well. And obviously that's on every single one, so they sort of will be protected a little bit. So you know, there's definitely no chance of banging your head or anything like that with them. But yeah. So now it's coming on. We had some spare brackets here from one of the other like awnings we put up on up by the house. So they've got all this done here as well. So obviously in this one, this lifts up, so it slides right up, and then you clip it in with the poles there, so you can clip it in, and then this one just then pushes down. And I see why you're going to use the poles on this one now. So they actually will go and they will fit on there, and that'll push it out and hold it out. So ideal. So these you'll be able to put on and fix down as well. Just give it some extra shade just in case it's raining or whatever. So work in progress. So yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, get a couple of cords on there, just hold them down as well, and that should help sort it out. So yeah. Right, we'll pop back down later when they're finished, and we'll have another look, see what they've been up to. We'll catch you in a bit. Right, and guys, they've shot off back to their digs for the night, so we'll go down and have a quick look. It's definitely coming on now. It's pretty much, I think the restaurant's pretty much sorted now. Just needs obviously a good clean up, and obviously Tom's table and chairs and our cooking equipment and everything. We'll bring that out from where we got it stored down at Numpong, from our other previous restaurant down there. So yeah, so let's go and have a quick look at it. So they've popped the roof on Tom's little wash station, as we're calling it. We just used it was purely what was left over material. Rather than obviously, you know, chucking it out, we thought we might as well just use it. So it's done like a little, you know, sort of sheltered area on there, which is quite good. Keep the rain out, and obviously a lot of the bugs and stuff are coming out of trees. So all the lights and everything are all working down here now. All the electrics is on. So what Tom's done here, she's used this, I don't know what you call it, it's like PVC or whatever, like cover. She's put on everything. A lot of it's to, you know, stop a lot of the bugs, and hopefully try and stop a few of the snakes and bits and pieces going in there. But like I say, it's Tom's idea, and obviously all of this just opens out. I did ask him to leave it open so you could see one side open and one side shut, but yeah. And I will show you, but I'm not going to mess about opening it all back up now. It's all closed up. Obviously all this will be fully lockable. Let's go in and have a quick look. And it's surprisingly cool in here actually. So we'll just open this one, have a quick look. So I've just fixed this covering on here all the way down. It just helps to keep a bit of the sun and everything out of here. So, you know, like I said, 100% Tom's idea, the whole lot of this. She had a little vision, and she went with it. I mean, this is going to be a perfect little space in here for, I don't know, I reckon we'll probably get 1, 2, 3, 4, probably about 6 table and chairs, I'd have thought, this side. We'll get a couple more the other side. And like I said, future-wise, I'm going to probably put a couple of the old little bamboo huts at the end here, so that can be, you know, they can be utilised as well. So, yeah. Come on, Milo, out you come. Dogs have got to come in and have a nose. Milo, come on. Out. Out. So, here's our temporary lock it all up. But yeah, it's all obviously on the ends here. These they're homemade ones. These are. They're not bottom blinds, so they'll obviously, you know, unwind down to block out any rain, sun, or anything that needs to. There's one on there. There's one on the front of each side here, and there's another one on the back there as well, which will go up and down. So you know, these can all be either wound right up like this one is, or they can be brought straight down, and they can turn around and pull the old units out, and then obviously when this is out the way, it'll come down, have a load of shade here as well. So she's got all the bits for that. So yeah, we'll have to get a couple more for this side, but exactly the same on this side. That'll come right the way down to the floor if we need it. So yeah, so it is coming along. Like I said, I think they're nearly done. I think with the actual sort of carcass, if you like, of the restaurant. It's just going to be us to do a few little bits. Obviously, move everything up here and go from there. So yeah. So that's it. I will leave it there for tonight, guys. Thank you very much once again for tuning in and watching the vlogs. It's been interesting to watch this project go up. Like I said, I haven't had a lot to do with this one. I just had a lot to do with the house. That was my my project. So I let Tam have a full free run on this one, and I think she's done it a treat. It's perfect for her. It's exactly what she wants. She's very happy with it. So yeah. So yeah, it's just a case of tidying up, sorting a few bits out, and we'll carry on. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be much appreciated. And we will see you tomorrow. We'll see what they're on with tomorrow. Anyway, all that's left for me to say, guys, is take it easy. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.